Scots we Wallace played, some wi' Bruce were sometimes led. Welcome to your gory bed, chains and slavery.
Welcome to the program. I'm Ian MacIntosh, and today I'm going to be answering the fan mail questions that you sent in to me. Let's see how it goes! Alright, our first letter that came to me was a lovely drawing of me, and that's quite a nice piece of artwork, I must say. It's from Billy, and it says, "Dear Ian, I love your Frisbee Basics video. Here's a shot of you on the Nessie. Throwing the Frisbee, as you can see, with a nice brown trout jumping out of the water. This is lovely." And Billy is from Saskatoon, and he's 40 years old. Alright, this question comes from Miranda Mule, who writes, "Dear Ian, are you really Scottish?" Does that answer your question, Miranda? This question comes from a young man named Derek Midler. Sorry if I slaughtered that, folks. But it reads, "Dear Ian, do you have a celebrity crush?" Well, Derek, I do. And she goes by the name of Cheryl Cole. Yeah, we were high school mates, friends, and senior year she asked me out to prom. You can imagine how I felt. She was gorgeous, and I kindly accepted. She had beautiful long locks of hair, sparkling eyes that could, melt your soul, and luscious raspberry pillow lips. She was a beauty. But, she wanted to take things further, and I said, sure, but she thought I was out of her league. Imagine that. Oh well. Our next question comes from Lily Allen. I wonder if it's the Lily Allen. Imagine that. But she writes, "Dear Ian, I watched your golf basics video and was thoroughly entertained. However, when I tried to do the Willy Wally, I not only broke my sternum, but bruised my pelvis. How on earth do you do it?" Well, Lily, you aren't me. Let's just put it that way. Go see a doctor and get that head checked as well. Alright? This letter reads, "Dear Ian, if you ever found yourself swimming in Loch Ness and found the Loch Ness Monster, who you refer to as Nessie, what is the first thing that you would do?" Well, the first thing I would do is I would lock lips with her. Did you catch that? Lock lips. Thank you for watching my program, and I'd like to thank each and every one of you who sent your letters in, and I'm sorry for the ones who did send them in that I didn't get to, but I will next time, I promise. And remember, if it's not Scottish, it's crap! Everything that's what heaven is sure enough.